Hey friends, welcome to the Chef School channel. We are doing something new. I'm going to show you how to make gremolata. This is one of those things that sounds really fancy, but it's actually really easy, and all it is a parsley based garnish slash sauce with garlic and some lemon zest. It's traditionally served with ossobuco, but it's actually so good you can use it as a topping for anything. So all you have to do is chop up some parsley really fine. Just make sure to grab the parsley very tight with your fingers and just run the knife and chiffonade this beautiful flat leaf parsley as fine as possible. After we chop the parsley, we'll put in a bowl, and traditionally in this recipe there is garlic, but it's up to you if you want to use garlic. Just with a zester, finely grate the garlic in the bowl, and you can use a garlic or two, whatever you feel it's best. Just taste it and adjust. To finish the sauce, take a lemon, and we're just going to use the zest of the lemon just as much as you want. Again, you can try and adjust. I like a pretty generous amount because it gives a nice brightness to the sauce. Finally, I'm gonna add a bit of salt and olive oil, stir it up, and you've got gremolata or gremolata depending on the region. In Italy they call it a bit differently. This wonderful topping slash garnish slash sauce that you can use for just about anything. You can also add chili flakes to make it a little bit more fancy and spicy. So whether you're making ossobuco or just about anything else, try this on top. It's similar to chimichurri. I think you're gonna love it. And thank you for watching. See you next time, and don't forget to have amazing recipes in the channel, so go and check them out. Thank you for watching. Bye.